touchdown, but I know I'm going. Hold me down, don't ruin my confidence, don't you do it. Sometimes I try to be there for you, and my plans don't go like I want. Watch me roll this dope, watch me trap and load this.
Hello guys, welcome back to a Shonderella story. Today I'll be getting some assistance from my brother because he just want to be in my videos so bad. So today I'm here to, this video is for the ladies, this video is for the females, alright? So this video I'm going to show you guys how I got my purple wig to red, because you know most people be like, oh, once you get it to a certain color you can't get it back to that color, you just gotta rock with that color. No, you don't have to do that, because I found a lot of ways on how you can I found a lot of ways on how you could change the color of the wig. The first method is this product. It's called, what is it called? Color Oops. You can find it at your beauty supply store. You can find it at Walgreens. You can find it at Walmart. It's called Color Oops. Color Oops, it doesn't, like, if you dye like a blonde hair, it doesn't get it like back to blonde, but it gets it like to a light color. Like, say I had a purple, so the Color Oops got it to, no, I'm lying. Color Oops, it's not like 100%, because it like, I mean, if you was supposed to use it, you would need like 2 bottles, because I used 1 bottle, and then the root of the hair, it was like still purple, and then the end was like pink. I'll insert a picture like later on the video, but you can use Color Oops. My second method was, you could like fill your kitchen sink with hot water, and then put dishwashing liquid, any dishwashing liquid in it, and what is that, baking soda, and then you could soak the hair in it, and then it will take the color out. That was the best method that worked for me, because it turned my hair into light pink. It turned the purple hair like to light pink. I was surprised that it got so much of the color out, but it worked good. And then you should know that if you dye your hair, you will never get it back to blonde, and if you're trying to do another color, you're gonna have to wait until you take the color out to see what it gives off, so you can see what color could go over it. So when I did purple, it went to light pink, and I was like, oh, I could put red over light pink. Get it? Yeah, like that. So I'm gonna insert a video of when I used the Color Oops. Not a video, a picture, because I didn't record it. Well, I did. I'm gonna put a picture of when I use the Color Oops. I'm gonna show you guys the other process with the dishwashing liquid and the baking soda. And then when I'm dyeing the hair, and this video is also about a color method. I'm gonna show you guys how I get it to red. So I'm gonna use you guys gonna see later on the video the color method of how I got it to red. Not color method, water method. Like when you put in the water and stuff, y'all know, y'all will see. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna insert the pictures, and I'll insert the clips, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace.
Alright.
I hope you guys like the pictures and stuff that I showed you guys. I hope it helped. Like, you guys can get an idea of what I'm saying. And I hope the water method helped you guys, because a lot of you guys see me posted on Instagram and you guys have been asking, how do I do the water method? So now you guys can see, and you could do for yourself instead of letting these people rob you. Let me tell y'all, wigs, I was gonna let somebody make my wig, but you know, I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna make nobody do nothing for me, because I could go sit down and look at YouTube on how to do it. I watched one video and I learned how to make a wig. Like, it's not even hard. People be trying to scam people, talking about 500, all that. Don't let nobody trick you. If you got sense, you could sit down on YouTube and watch how to make a wig yourself. Water method, you don't gotta pay nobody to dye your hair, nobody to change the color of your hair. You could use water method with black hair and blonde hair. You could sit down on YouTube, like I said, search it up and watch it for yourself. Don't let nobody rob you, bro. You could do it yourself, girl. But if you guys like this, if this video was helpful, let me know down below. Tell them, let you know down below.
Comment down below if you want a shout out.
Okay, no, we're not doing that. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.
See you
guys
in the
could
next
comment
video.
You guys comment down below what you guys want to see and what you guys want to learn, because if you comment it, I will learn it and I will show you how to do it, so you don't gotta have people scamming you and all that. Okay, but thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Peace.